Hello, bookleaguers! I have another Ted and Friends book. It's called The Unicorn Who Sold 0 Cupcakes. It's a story about not giving up by Brenda Li. I will link the rest of the Ted and Friends books in the description below, as well as Brenda Li's other funny books, including The Girl Who Makes a Million Mistakes. That's a great one. But so is this one. So let's go. This is Ted. Ted is a giraffe. This is his unicorn friend. Her name is Unicorn.
Hi!
Unicorn wants to sell cupcakes, and Ted likes the idea. One day, they decide to set up a cupcake stand at the park. Ta-da! The cupcake stand is all set up. They are very eager to start selling.
Cupcakes! Cupcakes! Come get your cupcakes!
Unicorn cries out loud to the people walking by, but no one wants to buy. So Unicorn pulls out a very loud megaphone.
Cupcakes! Cupcakes! Come get your cupcakes!
Still, no one wants to buy.
Maybe this is a bad idea.
Bonk,
Maybe the cupcakes are too small.
suggests Unicorn.
Maybe the icing looks like something stinky. Let's try to make a bigger cupcake.
Unicorn continues.
Just a little bit bigger. Ta-da!
Still, no one wants to buy.
This is not working.
Ted cries.
Let's just go home. Not so soon.
Replies Unicorn.
There has to be a way. Let me think. Aha! I have an idea. We're gonna dance and perform to get people's attention.
Unicorn is excited for her new idea. So Unicorn starts to perform ballet. She leaps and twirls beautifully. Just as planned, Unicorn starts to get everyone's attention. Next, she plays a merry tune on her trumpet and runs on a ball while Ted juggles cupcakes on one foot. Ta-da! Wow! What an amazing performance! Everyone is cheering and clapping. Then everyone walks away. Yet again. The entire day goes by. Unicorn and Ted sold 0 cupcakes. None.
See, I told you. Bad idea. Selling cupcakes is a bad idea. I'm tired and hungry and I'm going to eat.
Ted grabs a cupcake.
So, you got sprinkles? Sprinkles?
Unicorn replies.
The stuff that goes on top? I forgot. What? You forgot?
Shrieks Ted.
How can a cupcake not have sprinkles? No sprinkles! No sprinkles! No wonder no one wants our cupcakes. We are missing sprinkles. Let me think again. Aha! I have another idea.
Unicorn prepares to create something. She concentrates. And concentrates some more. And poof! Out comes sparkly sprinkles into the sky. It's raining sprinkles. Ted quickly catches them with the cupcakes. Everyone now is super excited.
Yay! Sprinkles!
Look, it works. The cupcakes are sparkling with sprinkles, and now everyone wants to buy them. Soon the cupcakes are sold out. Nothing is left. Unicorn and Ted are exhausted. But wow, it was all worth it. Good thing they never gave up.
I knew it was a good idea.
The end.
Hot dogs! Hot dogs! Come get your hot dogs! You forgot ketchup.
Bonus activities! Find the cupcake with a cherry on top. Which cupcake has a unicorn in it? Who is eating a cupcake? Count the blue cupcakes. How many green cupcakes are there? How many pink cupcakes do you see? Check out the description for the other Ted and Friends books and all the other Brenda Li books. Bye-bye.